Open the glove box. Remove the damper arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Pinch the tabs on the side of the housing and remove the housing door. Remove the old filter and clean out any debris inside the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing door. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the damper arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.